Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar talk on the topic of the sources of the air pollution and its effect on human health and vegetation. What are the different sources of the air pollution is there, and what is its effect on the human health and vegetation. Sources of the air pollution. Sources of air pollution refers to various locations, activity or factors which are responsible for the releasing of the pollutants in the atmosphere. These sources can be classified into two major categories, which are anthropogenic sources, human activity. It mostly related to the burning different kinds of the fuels. Stationary sources include smokestacks of the power plant, manufacturing facility, factory, and the waste incubator, as well as furnace and other types of the fuel burning heating devices. Mobile sources include motor vehicles, marine vessels, aircraft, and the effect of the sound, etc. Number third, chemicals, dust, and controlled burn practices in agricultural and the forestry management. Control or prescribed burning is a technique sometimes used in the forest management, farming, perrier restoration, and greenhouse gas abatement. Fire is a natural part of both forest and grassland ecology, and control fire can be a tool for the forest. Controlled burning stimulates the germination of some desirable forest trees, thus renewing the forest. Fumes from paint, hairspray, varnish, aerosol spray, and other solvents. Waste pollution is the landfill which generate methane. Methane is not toxic, however, it is highly flammable and may form explosive mixtures with air. Methane is also an spastic and may displace oxygen in an enclosed space. Asphyxia or suffocation may result if oxygen concentration is reduced to below 90.5% by displacement. Military, such as a nuclear weapon, toxic gases, germ warfare, and rocketry. Number two is the natural resources. Dust from the natural resources, usually large area of land with little or no vegetation. Methane emitted by the digestion of the food of by animal, for example cattle. Random gas from radioactive decay within the earth's crust. Radon is a colorless, odorless, naturally occurring radioactive novel gas that is formed from the decay of the radium. It is considered to be a health hazard. Radon gas from the natural resources can be accumulated in building, especially in confined areas such as a basement, and it is the second most frequent cause of the lung cancer after cigarette smoking. Number four, smoke and carbon monoxide from wildfires. Volcanic activity which produce sulfur, chlorine, and is particulate. Hence, we are seeing about the various sources of the air pollutions are there. Number one is the anthropic sources, human activity, and number second is the natural resources. Effects and fate of the air pollutants. What are the effect and fate of the air pollutants? There are various harmful effects of the air pollutants. Carbon monoxide. Source automobile exhaust, petrochemical reaction in the atmosphere, biological oxidation by the marine organism, affects the respiratory activity as a hemoglobin has more affinity for carbon monoxide than for oxygen. The CO combines with Hb and thus reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. This results in the blood vision, headache, unconsciousness, and death due to the asphyxiation, lack of the oxygen. Number two, carbon dioxide, source of the carbon burning of the fossil fuels, depletion of the forests that remove excess carbon dioxide and help in maintaining the oxygen carbon dioxide ratio causes global warming. Number third is the sulfur dioxide. Source is the industry, burning of the fossil fuels, forest fires, electric generation plants, smelting plants, industrial boilers, petroleum refinery, and volcanic eruptions. Respiratory problems, severe headache, reduced productivity of the plants, yellowing and reducing the storage time of the paper, yellowing and damaging to the limestone and marble, damage to the leather, increased rate of the corrosion of the iron steel and the zinc aluminum. Hydrocarbons, polynuclear aromatic compounds, PAC, and polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons, PH, source the automobile exhaust and industry, leaking fuel tanks, leaching from the toxic waste and lumping sites and coal tar lining of the some water supply pipes. Cationic way may cause leukemia. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, source refrigerator, air conditioners, foam shaving cream, spray cans, cleaning solvents, destroy ozone layer, which then permits the harmful UV rays to enter the atmosphere. The ozone layer protects the earth from the ultraviolet rays sent down by the sun. If the ozone layer is depleted by the human action, the effects on the planet could be catastrophic. Nitrogen oxide, source, automobile exhaust, burning of the fossil fuels, forest fires, electric generation plant, smelting plant, industrial boiler, petroleum refinery, and the volcanic eruption. Forms petrochemical smoke at the higher concentration causes leaf damage or affects the photosynthetic activity of plants and causes respiratory problems in mammals. Particulate matter, lead halides, lead pollution, source combustion of the leaded gasoline products, toxic effect in the man. Number 7, asbestos particle, source mining activity, asbestos, a cancerous disease of the lungs. Silicon dioxide, source stone cutting, pottery, glass manufacturing, and cement industry, silicons, a cancerous disease. Number 10, mercury, source combustion of the fossil fuels and plant, brain and kidney damage. Air pollutants affect plant by entering through stomata, leaf pores through the which gases diffuse, destroy the chlorophyll and effect of the photosynthesis during the daytime, and the stomata are wide open to facilitate photosynthesis. Air pollution during the daytime affect plant by entering the leaf through these stomata more than light. Pollutants also erode waxy coating of leaves called cuticle. Cuticle prevents excessive water loss and damage for disease. Pest, drought, and forest damage of the leaf structure causes necrosis, dead area of the leaf. Chlorosis, loss or reduction of the chlorophyll, causing yellowing of the leaf. Hyperintency, downing, curling of the leaf, and abscessing, dropping of leaves. Particles deposited on leaves can form incrustation and plug the stomata and also reduce the availability of the sunlight. The damage can result in death of the plant. SOT causes bleaching of the leaf, chlorosis, injury, and necrosis of the leaf. NO2 results increase in the absence and suppressed growth. 03 causes flake of the leaf surface, premature aging, and necrosis and bleaching. Peroxyethyl nitrite causes silvering of the lower surface of leaf, damage to young and more sensitive leaves, and suppressed growth. Fluorides cause necrosis of leaf tip, while ethylene result in the leaf absorbing dropping of the flowers. These are the sources of the air pollution and its effect on the fate of the air pollutant. The various harmful effect of the air pollutants are the given here. These are the sources of the air pollution: anthropogenic sources, statutory sources, mobile sources, chemical and dust control sources, fumes, waste deposition in landfills, military such as nuclear weapons, toxic gases, natural sources, dust from the natural sources, methane, radon, smoke, and effect, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbon, polynuclear aromatic compound, chlorofluorocarbons. These are the nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, asbestos particle, silicon dioxide, mercury, and these are the effects of the sources of the air pollution.